Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and well at your homes. Today I welcome you all in our history class. Now we'll talk about the Himalaya. In Himalayas, the Hindu Kush and Himalaya range have created an impenetrable wall on the northern side of the Indian subcontinent. This wall has separated the Indian subcontinent from the desert of Central Asia. Now, what do you mean by this? See, we in Indian, we have Himalayas, correct? So, if I talk about, I show in the map where is the Himalaya. See, can you see this? Hindu Kush mountain. This is the Hindu Kush mountain. This is the physical features map. Okay, this is the Hindu Kush mountain. However, there is a land route through the Khyber and Bolan passes in the Hindu Kush mountain. This route was connected to an ancient trade route. Now I will show in the map the Khyber and the Bolan. This is the Hindu Kush mountain. This is the Himalaya mountain. Over this road there is a Khyber. Can you see this Khyber? Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass. This is the road. From this road you can see the cut. This is the route. In this road, in this paragraph what they are saying that there was a route from China through Central Asia and it was reaching to the Arabia. From this route as known as the Silk Route, because silk was the main commodity, that is main item. This item to the western countries by using this road. The route through the passes was used by many foreign invaders to enter ancient India. Many foreign travelers also came to India by this route. Now, what is this saying about that? It means many foreigner attackers, they used to travel India by this route. They used to enter Asian India by this route. Now the next one, the plains of the Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra. This region consists of the basins of the three big rivers, Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. This region extends from Sindhu, Punjab in the west to the present day Bangladesh in the east. It was in this region that the earliest Indian civilization of Harappa and the latest states and empire of ancient India embraced. Now what this paragraph is saying, now this region comes the basis of rivers, means river basin is a portion of land and its tributaries. So there are three big rivers, Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Now this river they are extended to the region from Sindh Punjab to the west and Bangladesh to the east. Now earlier in this region Indian civilization of Harappa, the states and the empire in ancient India were emerged. Can you see the river Ganga? This is the river Ganga. This is Himalaya. Okay. I hope you all have understood this. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.